This is present.
Well, let me read it to you.
But
Okay,
what was the bag?
Right, you gotta listen closely. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. I got you a gift, but first let's have some fun. To find your present, you must rhyme words like sun, fun, sun. Okay, it's kind of a game with clues. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Your first clue is by your drum set. If you put it in water, it will get all
What?
wet. I think you already found the first clue this morning.
I did.
Look, it says, what does it say on the front?
Coswell.
Oh, pull it out. Look at the card on the front, and it says, turn it the other way. Yep.
Cortland.
It says clue number 1. All right, you want to bring it here and I'll help you read it?
Yes.
Okay.
My drumstick gets wet.
Okay, listen. Clue number 1. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Now you have to listen to what it says and do what it says, okay?
Okay.
Go to your bedroom and close the door. Now into the bathroom and look on the...
Door.
What rhymes with door? Look on the...
Floor.
Floor, right. So go to your bedroom and close the door. Now go in the bathroom and look on the floor.
The cat raced me.